Well, here is another hunt from Gary Lindsay. Last year, 2014 Missouri's rifle season. It's got some snow on the ground. He's got a nice non-typical buck that comes in. You'll want to check this hunt out. Remember to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We appreciate your support.
Yes! Yes! Alright. Alright guys, it's the second day of the Missouri gun season. I just shot a dandy. Actually, I got trail camera photos of this buck, and I didn't believe he was a very old deer, but once I seen him in person, I believe him to be about 4.5 at least, possibly 5.5. He's a good old buck. Anyhow, whenever he come in, I rattled and grunted, and within about 5 minutes he showed up. I believe he was looking to find a fight. So anyhow, I'm pretty excited. Gonna get down, try to get my hands on that deer. Alright guys, got her done here in Missouri. This is a mighty fine buck. I'm awfully proud to put my tag on it. This is a pretty good bruiser. Not to mention he's got a lot of character. He's got these stickers up here. He's got 1, 2, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 points is the best I can count. I rattled a couple times and grunted a few times, and boy, he come in about 5 minutes afterwards looking for a fight. Boy, he's got a big body on him. I'm pretty sure he's about a 5.5-year-old buck now that I've got down here on the ground and seen him. I mean, he is just a brute. Don't know how well he'll score, but whatever it is, I know I'm gonna be happy with it.